Newest RCDDv14 practice questions of Killtest are available, which are valid for BICSI Registered Communications Distribution Designer exam. Prepare and know the fundamentals in the BICSI Registered Communications Distribution Designer (RCDD) certification exam by picking out the BICSI RCDDv14 practice questions and answers from Killtest. Get the comprehension specifics of the RCDDv14 exam questions with the important BICSI RCDDv14 study guide. This video shares RCDDv14 free demo questions for helping you check the newest RCDDv14 practice questions. Question 1. A voice over IP network that converges voice capabilities with soft phones. Video communications. Instant messaging is referred to as A. Ethernet network communications, B. Unified communications, C. Mesh communication services, D. Converged communications, E. Unified fabric architecture. Answer B. Question 2. In specifying labels and pruned tags that meet Underwriters Laboratories UL 969 standard, marking and labeling systems are provided following the listed metrics. Which two of the following are required for the UL standard? Select two options. A. Adhesion test, B. Thickness test, C. Texture test, D. Durability test, E. Visual inspection. Answer A. E. Question 3. Before working on equipment, what is the final step in the lockout, tagout, LOTO procedure? A. Verify the equipment controls are in the proper operating position. B. Train workers to perform the LOTO process. C. Apply appropriate tags both locally and remotely. D. Confirm the device is de-energized by proving it will not run when started. E. Confirm all unnecessary items have been removed from the area. Answer C. Question 4. When considering pathway types, the ICT distribution designer should consider the applicable MICE factors as defined in TIA 568 for structured cabling systems and components. MICE 3 relates to A. Commercial environment, B. Heavy industrial environment, C. Medical environment, D. Light industrial environment. Answer A. Question 5. In a building with one join room for serving as the FR and EF and 4 dedicated TRs on the same floor, a total of blank 103 mm 4 trade size conduits should be installed to interconnect the backbone pathways to the A. 4, B. 8, C. 16, D. 20. Answer C. Question 6. Which of the following is a consideration for lighting telecommunication spaces? A. To ensure worker safety within TEs. Light level requirements are higher toward these than other spaces. B. The light fixtures within telecommunication spaces shall be fluorescent-type fixtures. C. The electrical power for lighting shall be connected to the same electrical panel as the telecommunications equipment. D. The lighting layout shall be coordinated with the equipment and pathway locations. Answer D. Question 7. Which requirement does the ICT distribution designer provide to the mechanical engineer in charge of the HVAC design for a telecommunication space? A. The heat load, BTU, calorie per hour, of all equipment installed within the space. B. Location of the telecommunications' own dedicated electrical distribution panel. C. The quantity and size of HVAC vents needed for the room. D. Location and size of condensate drain. Answer A. Question 8. Which type of scheduling chart utilizes predecessor and successor relationships when identifying tasks? A. PERT. B. Calendar. C. Milestone. D. Gantt. Answer A. Question 9. You are designing a multi-story dwelling and need to place the CTRS. Every floor is not available. What is the alternate spacing for the CTRS? A. Every 2 floors. B. Every 3 floors. C. Every 4 floors. D. Every 5 floors. E. First floor and midway up through the height of the building. Answer B. Question 10. You are designing distribution for a 7-unit townhouse within slab conduits. What is the minimum number of 27 mm, 1 in, rigid PVC type 2 or metallic conduit that is required to satisfy distribution to each unit? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 7. E. 14. Answer D.